Kennedy and I just got back from the grocery store. Let's do a little bit of a grocery haul. I am only going to the grocery store once this week, so we got a bunch of stuff. Let me show you what I got. We got some potato chips. I got these cookies for Kennedy to try as a little snack, as a treat. Kennedy's snack bars. She absolutely loves those. I got some cereal for myself because I used to put cereal in protein shakes and make like a little protein cereal snack. And I haven't done it in a while, and I was thinking about it. Avocado oil. We've literally been going through that like water because I'm making so many soups. I'll be honest, I didn't even see this. It was actually on an end cap, and it was the only one left, but they had the peppermint hot cocoa popcorn. They had a sampler out, and I was like, there was a woman there, and she asked me if I wanted to try it, and I was like, I don't know about that. And she's like, well, what about this one? And she pulled this out of the end cap, last one, and I was like, this looks more my speed. So I'm hoping that it's kind of, did you guys grow up having the marshmallow popcorn balls? I'm hoping that it's like that. Graham crackers for Miss Kennedy. This is literally all for Kennedy. More chips because if I want something salty. I've been really in the mood for chocolate, and I have not had this since college, so this brand is actually really good. I don't know if it's Who or Hugh. I think it's Hugh, but it's good. We've got lots of chicken nuggets for Miss Kennedy. We've got some breakfast sausage for me because it sounded good. They had these. I think these were on sale. These are my favorite Yasso bars. Did y'all grow up having the Starbucks ice cream pops? My sisters remember them. I don't know if everyone remembers them. I think they were like a 90s thing. These taste just like them. I recently discovered this ice cream brand, and I have made it my goal to try one every week and give it a score. So we've already done the coffee affogato one. It's like a coffee vanilla swirl. And I also already did the mint chocolate chip. So we've got cookies and cream this week. If you need a little update, the coffee vanilla swirl one was a 10 out of 10. The mint chocolate chip, I was very disappointed. It was not that good. I'm hoping that this is good because you really can't go wrong with cookies and cream. More chicken tenders, but these are for me and Carl. Cheese tortellini because I'm making a sausage spinach tortellini soup either tonight or tomorrow. I think I'm making that tonight. These were a last minute purchase. I didn't even know that Annie's made these. They're basically the little pizza pockets we all grew up eating. They were on sale, so I figured I'd get a couple just to put something in the freezer. Carl and I go through so much Greek yogurt, so I got another one of those. I also got some more spray, some heavy cream. That's also going to be going in that sausage soup I was just telling y'all about. Carl's favorite berry blend. I would love this if there was no blackberries in it. I don't like blackberries. So that's Carl's. Some frozen carrots because I'm gonna try sauteing these with some cinnamon and some butter, maybe a little bit of maple syrup for Kennedy as like a side dish with her dinner, just to get in a little bit more veg, you know. Plain frozen strawberries for me because again, I don't like blackberries. I don't like blackberries. If I could make my own frozen fruit blend, I would. And it would be strawberries, pineapples, and banana. That would be like my dream frozen fruit blend. Purple sweet potato and Honeycrisp apple because Honeycrisp apples are the best apples. We've got 3 raspberries for the raspberry queen, and then blackberries were on sale, so I grabbed, even though I don't like blackberries, these are for her because she just loves berries. Right, Kennedy? I've got some bell peppers because I love these for snacks, but also Miss Kennedy, she only likes the yellow ones recently. So I purposely picked a bag that had mostly yellow. Spinach because again, this is going in that tortellini soup I'm making tonight. And then my favorite lettuce right now is the Sweet Baby lettuces. Doesn't matter which brand. This was the cheapest one that was there. So I got that. So those. All right. That is that. Meat and eggs are already in the fridge. So I did get an 18-pack of eggs. And then I got chicken, sausage, and what was the other thing I got? Oh, turkey. So this is all the groceries for the next week. And yeah, I gotta run. What's going on over there? I will talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday. Bye.